guys, this is Natalia from Mamatime Posh, and today I wanted to make just a short video talking about what is the Thredup Partnership Program, and let's jump into the video. Right, so some of you might be familiar with Thredup. It is an large online consignment shop where people can send their gently used clothing to them and they will sell them for you and give you a payout. And of course it kind of works like consignment, but for some of us that were not able to use it as consignment, we're not able to use labels, there was another option, which was partnership program. And what it was brands that you could shop, you could get like a store credit for that brand if you send items to Thredup, and they would give you immediate payout. So not like consignment where you send and you wait, if it sells you would get a percentage of that. And this way you were getting immediate payout, but it was a lot lower. And I was able to send multiple labels, multiple boxes there. Just now, like this week, I'm no longer able to print label, but some of you might be still able to. It's kind of, nobody knows how it works, if there's some certain limit for each person. Well, it doesn't really matter, but some of the partner brands that are available is Abercrombie and Fitch, Adidas, Amor Vert, Athleta, Banana Republic, Christy Dawn, Crocs, Cuyana, Fabletics, Farfetch, Frame, Gap, Hollister, Liverpool, La Fleur, Madewell, Michael Stars, Nation, LTD, NYDJ, Not Your Daughter Jeans, Polarn, Pirate, okay, whatever, I can't pronounce it, sorry about that, Reformation, Rent the Runway, Todd and Co. or Company, Vera Bradley. Excuse me. And some of those retailers, you know, they support pretty much the reduce, reuse and recycle programs, and this way they were helping out the planet by letting you, you know, use your old clothes to get credit to shop their website pretty much. And so how it works, you would go to the website, and I will add little video here, and I will voice over it, but you would go to the website, you could pick one of those brands, and you could order your own label, or I think you could also order like a box from them, but most likely you would pick the label since it's faster. And then you would fill it with up to 30 pounds of gently or new clothing, gently used or new clothing, and you would send it to them, and depending on brand they would give you payout. Most of them the payout is really low, like 50 cents, $2. The brands, you know, that's pretty much what you're gonna get. The mall brands, all that and below, bread and butter brands, you would get very low payout. But some of the like better brands, or I've noticed purses and shoes gave you a little bit higher payout, or like higher end items would give you really good payout. So I will show a video of that also, my payout of one of the labels. And then if you send that, they would process it extremely fast. and then you would get credit to the store. So now you could either use the credit and shop there for yourself or to resell. And some people, I know, like the Nikki, for example, she sells the gift card later to just get cash, but then you lose some money in the process. So I've done both, but I prefer to get store credit and just get items that I know will sell quickly and even maybe make extra profit, not just what it cost me. So as you see here, I just Google Thredup Partner Kit and you just pick that. And here it will explain everything, how everything works, all the brands that are available to do the partner kit with. You can pick your favorite or pick whatever sells for you. Then you continue to this window and you just click to print the label. And then here you can press order a label. Here it tells you what you should pack in there. No signs of wear, no damage, no alternations. And you can pick the no return assurance, which means you would get the items back, return assurance. Or if you don't care about getting them back, just pick regular. This is sample of payouts. You can even put the brand you have and they will tell you, calculate for you how much you will get. So see, only like 50 cents for like Old Navy and a few hundred for a Celine bag or Chanel or whatever. And here's a sample of my previous kits. Some of the payouts I got, like this one is over $200. And those were all items that I had either received for free or I got for myself, or they were just sitting forever and not selling. So I would send them back to Thredup. And this is the payout I got. As you see, for bags, it's a little bit better. Some shoes, a little bit better. A lot of basics, not worth really buying. But I got a really good price for one of the shoes right there, $74. So, as you saw in the videos, yeah, this is how it works. One of the times I got a gift card to Athleta, and Athleta actually gives you like, I don't remember, but percentage back, so you actually get extra with 15% or something higher payout. And I got a huge box with lots of items I picked, and I used, you know, when they had the big sale, that's when I used my credits, since then I could get the most items. But I can't show you because almost all of them sold. So I can't show you that, but I used one of my other payouts, and I used it as a store credit for Madewell, and it was very small, like credit. I don't know, I got like $80 or something, but that was great anyway. So I always, since I'm a reseller, I like the quality brands that keep their value, the resale value. So I used this credit to purchase things from Madewell, and I didn't get all the items yet. I'm still waiting for a second box, but I can show you what I got. So first item were those shoes from Madewell. I actually got 2 pairs of them. They were on extreme sale that day because Madewell, aside from being like on clearance on sale, they gave you extra, I think 25% discount. So they're just Madewell little sandals. You can't, it doesn't focus, but leather, all leather with like a block heel and 6.5. I got 2 of those pairs, and I think I paid about $20 per pair, and I'm looking to sell them for about $60 or so. Then I also got, what is this even? Don't even remember. I think it's joggers from Madewell. And I always look at fabric content, so I think they might have been like, one of them are linen blend and one were modal blend cotton modal. So that's super soft fabric, really cute joggers like this in size large. And they're, so I lost my train of thought. I had some little interruptions happening here. Anyway, so yes, I got the joggers that I showed before. Very, very soft and comfy. You would tag. And since I sent the stale inventory that I might have donated anyway, it's like getting it for free, at least in my opinion. Next, I got another joggers. They're a little different, like a rib knit. Very cute, very pretty, like a nude color. And this one, this was, like I said, I only paid like $47 for it, so it was like a only portion gift card that I had left over. Look at those shorts, how cute, mustard yellow, like a looser fit, very cute. So the two pairs of shoes, the two joggers, and the shorts I got for, you know, my stale inventory that was sitting and I would have donated otherwise. So I think it's definitely worth giving it a try if you can print a label. And you can just get something new if you're just looking for personal, you know, use. You can just get new clothes for yourself, for your kids, for your family. Or you can get things like I did to resell. But then you have to make sure you're getting brands that you know will sell well. Not something that is like, you know, everyday stuff, because, you know, it might sit for a long time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I explained everything. If you have any questions, please put them below and I'll be happy to answer and help you out. And I hope this works out for you and you can get some money for your things. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.